Okay, guys, let's prep for tomorrow real quick. I just came from set. Ooh, look at this. I've been working on set. Your boy's working on set. So yeah, I'm so tired. Let's just see what's going on. And ooh la la. And prep for tomorrow. Ooh la la. See this volume? Doesn't look like correction. Um, Gosh, I'm so tired. I have to be quiet because of my housemates. But yeah, mm, mm, yeah. What happened here? Yeah. Look at this. Boom, boom. Yeah, and that's basically what's going on. Um, that was a transitory extremum, and you see, that's not the biggest volume. Here's the biggest volume. So even though it looks scary on daily, it looks good on hourly. That's how we benefit from combining inferior and superior time frame. That's one of the core principles of our method. Yeah, you see, boom, 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 exhaustion volume, doom comes higher. We can play it off. However, it comes here tomorrow. It will look more like breakthrough. We'll keep an eye on hourly tomorrow. Definitely stock to keep an eye on. Next is our Pepsi. We close below on the test, little bit below, considering it's point 0.5. See what happened here. Boom, broke down. Yeah, I mean, not really. Yeah, we shouldn't be looking at this way. Technically, see, it's just like a little bit. So it has all the potential to just. We'll keep an eye on this tomorrow, but technically, we should not be looking at. Ooh, this guy. Bitcoin breaks below. Uh, Same deal. Broke down on test. Not saying it's not gonna let's just take off and go up tomorrow, but technically it broke down below, so we are waiting now. Comcast to this level, and this level is way below point 0.5. Still kind of. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye for tomorrow. By the way, I was gonna say that on daily, yeah. So technically, that's what's happening now, and it doesn't look good. Comcast, this guy, this guy. We'll keep an eye, but I'm skeptical. Home Depot. Doo-doo. Home Depot leaves everyone behind. Like, bye bye, people. Everyone who was playing bullish up here is in genuine panic. It's gap and go. It's gap and go. It's gap and go. You'll keep an eye on it tomorrow, but you have to be suicidal. Well, I am. Who is suicidal here? Please stand up. Please stand up. Yeah, this is good. You see? All the bulls here. What can I say? Let's keep an eye. Guys, look, we have a lot going on. Oof. What is this? Oh, this is not bad. What is this? Tin, 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 tin. Well, well, this is not bad at all. The volume of correction, however, is supersedes this bar level. Volume here that didn't hold, and that was actually another level. So this was gone like way ago. Yeah, this all doesn't count. Stop doing that to me. Trading view, I'm tired. I was working on set. Uh, you see, this is the volume of correction. Yeah, don't have to explain it to you at this point. See, biggest volume of the short correction. This is a transitory extremum. It looks good. When everything on the market looks good, clear sign to stay away. You know what I mean? We'll keep an eye on this guy. If it comes here, manipulates, we can play it. We can play it long. Our cues. Our cues. You don't belong here, mister. Get away from our monthly chart. Yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. Oh, and by the way, where was I? Yeah, for hourly, it's right. For hourly, it's right. Ooh, look at this volume. It's kind of good for a daily if it comes here, but for an hourly, ooh, this is sexy. This is so sexy. My only problem here is that, guys, this is so good. You all see this at this point, don't you? In case you don't, I'll chew it for you and put in your mouth. Biggest volume of the short correction, biggest volume of the short impulse, 2-bar spring, biggest volume, and spring closes above. The opening of the spring. My only problem here is this is dangerously close to T2 level. So see, technically it manipulated the jump over creek level. Either way, it's good. Yeah, so the problem here is that it is really close to the T2 on daily, which does not, yeah. So ideally it should go here, manipulate it from here, and then you can play it just like another spring of this level. It goes higher. We'll keep an eye. This dude continues to struggle here. And now it broke below this level. So this now looks like this. And yeah, so we cannot play it of this level no more. We need to wait for we need to wait for it to form a new day level here, which appears to be this point for now. Yeah, like this. We need manipulation of this level now. So when it comes and does it, it's tradable. Our Costco. It's even good for a daily trade now. And we can play it daily. So high though. If you get stuck in Costco, that's not going to be fun. So yeah, technically if it manipulates this level tomorrow and closes above, we can trade it off daily. It's just so extended. It's just so extended. On hourly, it looks amazing on hourly. 1225, 1225. So it, well, technically it breaks. Yeah, so on hourly, technically it broke the level. Hold on. Anyhow, yeah, it does it all the time. It breaks in last manipulation and then it takes off and doesn't give you any setup. So for now, with this guy, we are here. Change the direction very last moment. So now it's a short trend and 0.5. So yeah, when it comes and hits here, we can trade it, but we can also trade it off daily. This guy needs to decide what it wants to do. Yeah, Comcast needs to come here in order to be considered. However, yeah, it needs to come here. See what it did? NVIDIA, or oh, you're right. You remember? Wait, what's massacre? What's going on here? What's going on here? Mm-hmm. Corrected to 0.5, but volume exceeds the volume of long trend. Mm-hmm. So that what was happening on NVIDIA today. This 0.5 is non-existent no more. If it comes here still, but with all this volume, doesn't make any sense. And it's an all-time highs. Yeah, gotta be careful. Pepsi, we already, yeah. The rest we already discussed. Oh, we got Pepsi twice. Home Dima. A lot of yum. We'll see tomorrow. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. That's what's good. Look how extended this guy is. Look how extended. Which doesn't mean nothing. Nothing that prevents Bitcoin from grinding higher. Um, you know what I mean? This changed the direction. So it's here now. I'm too tired to back trade this guy. Yeah, it's kind of stuck in this diapason now, in this range. So it's going down. Biggest volume here. Biggest volume. First, there was a test, and technically, you had to be. You'll see tomorrow, but you had to be suicidal to try to pick it up there. And there again, and then it broke. Yeah, and it was also doing this thing. So yeah, you could have considered short here, here, and here, at which we'll take a look tomorrow. Let's see my trades. This doesn't look awful. Yeah, just trying to decide what wants to do at this point. We'll just wait. Okay, guys. Yeah, so we have all these things. Needs to manipulate daily. Needs to manipulate hourly. Manipulate hourly. Manipulate daily. Manipulate hourly. Didn't want it anyways. Manipulate here. Pepsi needs to come here really. So yeah, it needs to come here to the daily. It's kind of borderline, so nothing prevents Pepsi from like taking it. It was strong, so it can just test, take off tomorrow. But we'll play according to our rules. Technically, we can see Home Depot out of hourly chart. This looks good. This looks like reasonable. Boom, manipulation. And Q's needs to test and resume. However, very, very close to T2. Gotta be real careful. Okay, guys, I'll check out for the night. Take care. Oh, we have a question. Uh, between hourly and daily. I play hourly if there is a set up to to enter early. Hey man, hey Blasika, if there is nothing on hourly to work off, I play daily. Does this make sense? So Blasiko asks how I decide in between hourly daily. Look, I'll show you. Mm, so this one now allows me to play. It's in a good level on monthly, so I can play it on daily. So if it comes here, manipulates, does like 1 bar, 2 bar spring, test, resumes buying, I can buy on daily. Meantime, however, since it's, well, technically, yeah, technically it's um, low 173, max 50. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, Blasiko. Yeah, you're welcome. But I want to show you a better example than this guy, Casco. Yeah, on Casco. Look on Casco. It's like technically it allows me to play it off just daily because I'm playing in continuation of the long trend. I got to be super careful because it's so extended and Casco is at all-time high. So if I get stuck here with my virtual stop loss, I'll be hodler for life, Casco. But it continues the long trend, so I can play a daily setup when it comes to point 0.5 retracement from the previous T2, and now it comes to the point 0.5 and it's the level of the jog. So once, if it does, say if tomorrow it closes above with the bullish bar, I can play it right off the daily. However, meantime, there is nothing here that would not allow me to play it off hourly. So it will come and manipulate here and makes a spring and then test and resumes buying. I can buy it off hourly. First of all, it gives me like a shorter stop loss, a quicker entry. So it can happen before the day closes. So only when the day closes tomorrow bullish, I'll be able to play it off daily. However, on hourly, I can play it earlier with a shorter stop loss, and then I can enjoy the ride. So I can start the trade on hourly, say it will come here, manipulates, and then test, resumes, and I buy it like something like this. Okay, for two risk to reward ratio. And then by the time it comes like to my take profit on daily, it will close bullish. It will start closing bullish, and I can extend it on um, on daily and play it, say, all the way to here. So I can extend my take profit to like, I'm not going to be greedy, I'll take 7, but 7 is like way better than 2. So that's how I decide where to play. Same deal here, the air product. On daily, I need to wait till it comes here, manipulates, does the spring, and then test, resumes buying. Meantime, on hourly, I can play right up here. So it comes, makes a spring, test, resumes buying, and I can buy it here with a way shorter stop loss. And like take profit is going to be somewhere over here. And then if it will be confirmed on the daily, I can extend it dude, like to the point 0.5 of this entire movement. So I can easily extend it up to here, and it's going to be like a great deal. However, if it doesn't confirm on daily, I'll just take my um, wanted to risk to reward. So if it does me in hourly setup here, per se, like this, something like this, okay, I'll be playing it on hourly. A quick, sweet deal, almost like slightly above the T2 level of the hourly. So I'll be playing this, but if by the time it will come like closer to take profit, I'll see that it closes like what I want on daily. Then say it closes with a spring and then it gives me test, retest. Then I can extend it all the way to here and boom, again. Instead of 1 to 2 risk to reward, I get like 7. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to play it like slightly below point 0.5, like something like that. Like again, the same 7. So yeah, when you combine inferior and superior time frame, first of all, you can make a quicker, faster entry. Secondly, you can make a lower entry, so like shorter stop loss. And then if it confirms and closes the manipulation signal on superior time frame, you can run it longer and make a bigger profit if it makes sense. Or you'll already close you quick like 1 to 2 risk to reward on hourly by the time people are still going to be making their decisions on daily, which can also avoid unnecessary losses. Because if it doesn't go, it can go like off hourly, makes you take a profit, and then on daily, it will not go, will not form the necessary like manipulation signal test or resumption of the buying into your direction. So that's how I play it. I hope it helps. Thank you for the question. Yeah. If any other questions, ask me. I'm here to help. I know I'm a little bit hectic in my explanations, but feel free to ask me any questions. Okay, Blasika, it's like 15 minutes after midnight in LA, and I've been on set the entire day, so I'm like sick, tired, sleep deprived. I want to bail out for tonight. Never thought to combine analysis. Never thought in this way. Yes, that's it's one of the biggest aces up my sleeve. Like combining two and sometimes even three time frames. You never combine. You never jump over time frames. So I'd never play of. Um, so see if monthly shows me a situation, I will never go down on hourly and just play it purely trying to combine hourly and monthly time frame. I will always like combine two nearby time frames. So I see a good situation on monthly. You see it came to the T2 level, like kind of wish below point 0.5, but still in the zone. And point 0.5 is not a level, it's like kind of cloud, it's a zone of interest. So I go on daily and see what's going on daily. Oh, it's the right setup on daily too. So like it's a short trend. Here's the transitory extremum, so it's like reversing in the monthly level. I'll be waiting for manipulation. Meantime, I see if it makes sense on hourly. I can even go as low as like 5 minutes for some stocks. It makes like sense for crypto. It even makes sense for some stocks sometimes, like US stocks. You see, like 5 minutes is kind of choppy. There is like more gaps. It means that liquidity is not enough, like volume of trade. But I could even pick it up for 5 minute chart sometimes. So yeah. That's the whole thing. I don't believe. I mean, it's going to be extremely hard, at least for me, to mm, get positive statistics. Gosh, what happened here? Why it's not even? Oh, okay. Just working purely of one time frame. You always combine, but like you combine nearby time frames, monthly and daily. And I see monthly, even like when I play hourly, I still see monthly for the context. Okay, it's a um, long impulse right now on monthly that matches. So you know that allows me to play it on daily and look on hourly. So yeah, combining time frames uh, is one of powerful tools um, that I think makes trading profitable. Okay, I hope I helped you, Blasico. Thank you for all your questions. Reply with cheer. Let me see how the. Oh wow, interesting. Trader view allows you to. It's almost like a social network. Quote this message. Message settings. Link to this message. Ignore what's all message. Okay, Blasika. I'm gonna go. If any other questions, catch up with me. I'm streaming. I mean, twice a day at least. So I'll be streaming tomorrow um, morning Pacific time. When I'll wake up, I'll be watching all these stocks. Um, this dude, we're gonna be watching on hourly, Costco hourly, Air Products monthly and hourly too, because it makes sense on hourly. Comcast daily, Nvidia hourly, General Dynamics hourly, Pepsi. I gotta be like super careful. Like yeah, we really need to see Pepsi go here. Home Depot hourly, this guy hourly, and Q's. I wouldn't really play it until it goes to T2 level on daily because it's like dangerously close. You see how close it is? It needs to manipulate. So I'd rather see like it manipulate this level and then play it up here. Okay, take care now. Um, I'm gonna bail out. Night to night.